Let's look at starts in month. This shows the number of starts completed and how that compares to your rolling average. Let's click on the tile for more details. Here, you can break down how many starts you've had per trainer and the stage the start is in. The bars in green show starts that are completed and signed up. Those in red are still to schedule. Blue shows what's been scheduled and coming in this month. Click on any part of the bar and the pane below opens to show the learner, the trainer, the employer, the sector, and the program they're on. This information can be filtered on the left-hand side by any of those fields and whether or not they are levy funded. So you can quickly filter and share information to relevant parts of your business. Bud's dashboard helps you to make the decisions that will give your business the largest gains and success rates for the learners on your program. If you have any questions regarding any of the content discussed in this video, or for a more in-depth demonstration of how Bud can maximize your training performance, please speak to one of our team.